What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. I just want to make a quick little video. Today is an awesome day. It is Sunday, and almost 1 year ago to the day we put this thing into the wall at Thunder Valley. It's 4 days from now, a year ago. So I just completed a maiden voyage around the block. And that may not sound like much, but that is huge for the amount of damage we did, the amount of work we put into this thing. I couldn't be happier. We have a bunch of little things to wrap up, like I don't have headlights and there's a bunch of things, but it drove around the block. It'll cool itself. I gotta pump the overflow because it's spitting a little bit. It probably needs to be burped or whatever, but all in all, I couldn't be more proud and more excited. And I want to thank all of you for watching, cheering me on, following along, encouraging me. I'd like to send a big shout out and thank you to all the sponsors, everybody that helped me out, made it possible, everybody that bought stickers and all that fun stuff. I know you guys continue to ask about merch and things. I've been hit up for shirts and all that stuff, but I want to make quality kind of cool stuff. Obviously we're going to have to do shirts so you guys can do that, but I want to make other items and stuff too so you get use out of the things that you get from me instead of just buying random stuff. But the sticker deal that you guys all helped me with, all of that was 100% donations, and I thank you guys for that. So again, I'm super stoked, and I do feel like shooting for Mega Week kept the fire lit, and it kept me going, and I would get out here and I'd work and I'd put all the extra time in to try to make the goal, and I knew it was a tall bar. That's why I was like, I just want to make a pass on day one. But even doing that, I probably saved myself more problems or issues by not making it, because I've been tinkering with this thing from last week and then this whole weekend, and there are so many little things, and tightening every little bolt and going over stuff and just taking time to do it correctly, that when you're in a hurry doing that stuff and then you're going to send this thing down the track, it's really not a great idea. So I think the universe saved me. But again, I just want to make a short video. Thank you guys, and we will continue chipping away. We're going to get this thing wrapped up, get some street miles on it. We'll bring you guys to the dyno. We're going to drive it around a bunch, but I still have stuff, like I said, lights, blinkers, all that, and I'll bring you along on that because I have some pretty cool things that we bought for the car. Like I got some motorcycle blinkers that do the little dance that we're going to retrofit, and I got some like LED headlights and stuff. So instead of just slamming all together and showing you guys, now I can at least kind of bring you along, and maybe you guys like the stuff, maybe you won't, maybe it's stuff that, you know, maybe you'll have better ideas and we can incorporate those later. But whew, it's an awesome day. Now I have to spend the rest of the time that I have cleaning up because we have company coming this week. So I'm excited to get this off the jack stands, kind of move it. Now it'll move under its own power, which is phenomenal too. But I got to get to work. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I'm super excited, and I could be more proud. I'm proud of myself for sticking to it, getting it done. Now we just got to get that one, and then I got another one back there. We got all kinds of work to do. You guys know what to do. Till next time, I'm out.
Rolling through the streets, yeah, I'm the king of the block. Got that dragon drive style, make your whole city rock. Maliboom gangster, when a touch of finesse. I'm burning rubber, raising hell, feel the heat, no stress. Turbo LS, under the hood, I'm moving quick. Nicky tires grip the road, make them stick like a trick. She sloppy too, we got a hit in 08. In the war performance parts all over the place. The bomb squad's